So we decided to share with you the flip of this dresser. I actually found it on Gumtree and was actually for free. And we will be sharing the process of flipping this particular dresser. Hopefully it will look really good at the end.
So Margarita, what's the point of attack?
So now I need to degrease, I need to use a degreaser to clean the dresser, and then I will polish it, I'll sand it, I guess that's the right word, and then I'll start painting.
Cool, why do you need to degrease it?
To remove the wax, apparently,
Okay.
from the dresser,
But why did you need the mask if you were in our balcony?
for the drama.
Hey guys, a bit of an update here. We're trying to remove the handles from the drawers, and we thought that they were nailed into the drawers, but they were just screws, these kind of screws, but because they were so old, the screws kind of tear apart very easily when you try to remove them from the back of the drawer. And in that process, yeah, I kind of did these marks here on the drawers, so Margarita is going to have to fill this and sand it before, but they can't come out easily if you just try to remove them with some pliers. Yeah, they're just screws that should come out of the back of the drawer, so don't force on this side if you can do it from this side. So Margarita needs to go to Bunnings because we need some wood filler, because there's some rough like little holes, whatever you call that, like in a cabinet, and we need to fill it. And also
Because Francisco
I screwed over one drawer trying to remove the hinges.
hardware, it's the name.
Yeah. But I'm kind of feeling productive now. And I know if we leave now, we're not going to have enough sunlight when we return to continue this job. Time to go to Bunnings, guys. So guys, we returned from Bunnings. It's raining a lot. We have what we needed. Margarita's kind of filling the holes. And I have some hardware left to remove. That's what we're gonna do before having some break, because clearly we cannot finish this today. So good morning, guys. So second day of this. Yesterday we've finished removing all the hardware from the drawers, and Margarita already started filling the little holes with the filler that we bought on Bunnings. What's you gonna do now, Margarita?
Yeah, so because yesterday was a little bit dark, so I'm going to just check the whole dresser and see if I missed something yesterday night. And yeah, I'll let it dry for a little bit and then I'll start sanding the whole dresser.
Cool.
That's the plan.
So Margarita is finishing sanding the dresser. We're going to clean the hardware. I mean, I think they're supposed to look light and have a kind of a bronze appearance, or golden even. And they currently look dirty, dark, which, I mean, it's just aging, I guess. But we can polish them, and before doing that, we're going to put them boiling under white vinegar. So let's do that. Guess this should be it. Our house completely stinks now. So now we just wait for it to be cold, and I guess that's it. And then we have polishing to do. So guys, we had to go back to Bunnings once again for this, because the sandpaper that we had wasn't rough enough, and we wanted like the fillings to be as smooth as possible. Yeah, so we have to go do it again.
We already have everything prepared to start painting. Ooh. So a couple of days after, and I just realized that I needed to buy a top coat for the dresser, just to make sure that it's easier to clean afterwards, and it's easier to maintain as well. So this is how is the drawer looking like with the coat, and this is how the drawer looking like without the coat. So you won't see any difference, but I guess afterwards it will make my life easier. So we are ready to finalize this big boy.
So guys, take a look at this. The handles look way better than before. It was kind of a mess to do this, but we wasted so much time, but it was worth it because they look almost brand new. So I did these ones that are cleaner than these ones that Margarita did. Yeah, but this was a big work, big job. Maybe that's why that all the videos that we've seen on YouTube, people just replace the handles without properly clean them. Anyways.
So we are currently not sure if we are actually going ahead with the initial design of the hardware. So with this whole set as it is, as you can see here, or if we just remove these two pieces and we'll just go with a simple version, as you can see here. So the idea probably is to go with this design for the initial drawer, and then all the other drawers will go with the simple design. So final thoughts, I think the dresser turned out quite well and I'm really happy with the final result.
Yeah, I think it looks very good. Yeah, I mean, it's very stylish, very minimal as well. Yeah, it turned out very well.
Yeah.
The lady that sold this to us told us that this dresser belonged to his grandma, and it was in a family for about like 80 years or whatever. And Margarita told her that she was thinking about painting it, and she was like, I'm not sure about this. Yeah, but I think she would be surprised with the end result. Yeah, looks good on our bedroom.
Yeah.
So we also printed one of our drone photos to put here. We took it on Mars when we went there last time. Yeah, if you want like a copy or whatever, let us know.
Give us a shout.
Yeah, give us a shout in the comments. Yeah, that's it.
So if you liked, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, see you next time.
So we already have everything prepared to start the painting. Start painting.
So what's this?
See?
And look at this, Frederick is already using the dresser.
Okay, back to work.
I mean, if we don't use them, it was like big waste of time, because these were the pieces that were harder to clean. Anyways, let's do it.